guys. Hello guys. Hello. Today we're gonna unbox. This is very long time. This is I ordered this February, and then it just came. So yeah. Stay pig. Okay, give it go. Okay. Just came back from Johor. Literally 5 minutes ago. Okay. So first, I think we should unbox this one. Okay. I'm gonna do this real quick because I don't have time. So. Oh. Whoa. It's over. Okay. How it look like? Ooh. So, okay, we got poster. Let's move some stuff so we have space. Ooh. I just saw. Hold on. Okay. Alright, now through the book. Don't have time. Let's poster. Oh! Mark! Okay, I don't have time. This one first because I saw this one. So yeah, this is Johnny. I got Johnny. Alright, cool. Okay. The postcard. What do you think I get? A shirt. Ooh, Yoyo. Okay. Nice. Next. This. I'm gonna open this. I don't know what is this though. Okay. Ooh. A poster. How do you open it? Wait, no, there's nothing. There's nothing. Okay. Scam. Postcard.
Sorry.
Postcard.
Oh.
Polaroid photo. Speed through, man. I got no time. Ooh. Pink hair. Oh my god, finally I have a pink hair photocard of him. Oh my god. This was hard to find, okay? Expensive, okay? This thing. Oh gosh. But it's okay. Got a lot of stuff. Got this thing. I don't know when to use. Oops. Very nice. I think I should use it for exam. I don't know. Okay, this one. I'm excited for this. I don't know what is this. I don't know this. This is freebies. Very cute freebies. Thank you, K-Popcorn. K-Popcorn is always so good. K-Popcorn is so kind as well. Ooh, so it comes in this. They always give us this transparent card. So we got Mark and Hechan. Great. And then we got the 9 members. What 7 stickers? So pretty. Is it the 127 poster? I don't regret buying poster because I have no place to put this. How do you open this without ripping? This is so big. This is 16 boxes. It's very light. 8 boxes maybe, I don't know. But yeah, that was everything. That was the unboxing. Wow. I should just post this as one. Like, just edit my intro and that's it. There's nothing much. It's not like and like me ranting because I have no time. So yeah. Very nice. Let us throw things at me. So this me. Let me rearrange this. I really like this sleeve. The sleeve feels, yeah, not quality, so I'm throwing that away. Very cute stuff. A lot of those. Yeah, but it's like that's all, guys. Hopefully you guys have a great day. Selamat Hari Raya to those who celebrate Hari Raya, and have fun with your long holidays. And yeah, I might vlog on Tuesday. Let me think about that. But yeah, bye. Selamat Hari Raya. Bye.
Bye.